Welcome back. It's art time class. Today we are going to be coloring a color wheel. Let's get started. To begin, you're going to need red, yellow, and blue only for this color wheel. You're also going to need to make something like this on your paper. If you don't already, grab something circular like a cup and trace around. And then you're going to grab a ruler. When you're using a ruler, you kind of want to hold it down with one hand. And then with your pencil hand, you'll lay that across like so. And you want to have 6 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 sections. So let's do one line here. Do another line here. And you can turn your paper if you need. I'm going to do a line right about here. It does not need to be perfectly even for this to work. We just want 6 sections in our circle. Next, we're going to color in the primary colors red, yellow, and blue. So we're going to do red in one section. And then we're going to skip and go to yellow. And we're going to skip and go to blue. So solo color rojo aquí, solo color amarillo aquí, and solo color azul aquí. Now, in between the 2 sections, we're going to mix the colors or layer them on top of each other. So aquí es color rojo y amarillo. We're going to color red and yellow here. That's going to give us our orange. That's our secondary color, orange. And you can layer more red and more yellow to get that. Let's do our next one. That's going to be yellow and blue. So a little bit of blue and a little bit of yellow, and it's going to mix to make us our green. And then our last one is right here. We're going to do some red and some blue, and that's going to give us our purple or violet for our color wheel. Yay! And that is how you color in a color wheel. Till next time, keep being creative.